If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. Elements provide you with several different wizards that guide you through the creation of some pretty crafty designs. You can use the wizards to take your images and create many types of items from your photos. You make your choices in the wizards and select the images to include to have Elements create the items for you. To use the wizards, click the Create button in the Shortcuts bar of the Organizer or the Photo Editor, and select your desired creation from the drop-down menu that appears. In the editor, the choices include slideshow, photo collage, quote graphic, photo prints, photo book, greeting card, photo calendar, prints and gifts, CD jacket, DVD jacket, and CD or DVD label. The organizer has additional choices. You then follow the instructions shown on screen for the creation wizard you selected. Generally speaking, depending on the specific wizard you selected, you can use the Select a Size area to choose your desired print size after making a choice. Then select one of the template layouts or themes and set any additional options you want. After making your selections, click either the OK or Done buttons. After the template opens, you can then click the image placeholders to replace them with images you want to use if you didn't already populate them with selected photo bin images. To do this, simply follow the instructions shown in the template, which may involve clicking text or a button or clicking and dragging photos to designated template areas. Repeat the process until you insert all the images you want into your template. Then change your creation in any way you choose, using all of the tools covered in this course and the template options that are provided. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.